Hello everybody, welcome back to the Bubble Daddy Soap YouTube channel. My name is Trevor, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am usually a big fan of bright colors and strong scents, or just scents in general, but I know that not everybody can handle that. Some people are sensitive to colors and are sensitive to smells, or just don't like them in general. So today I'm going to make my soap my normal recipe, but I'm going to do it without any colors. No additives, no colors, no scents. Nothing like that. Just a plain bar of soap, which I'm tentatively calling Just the Bubbles. This is going to be a quicker video today because this is not going to take very long to do. It'll come together, I'll pour it into the mold, it'll be done. But I wanted to go ahead and shoot this video for you anyway and talk a little bit more about what I put in my soaps. So, my oil mixture is coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, and sustainably raised palm oil, organic palm oil. I get all of my oils from Soaper's Choice. Usually I use colorants from Nurture Soap, and I get my fragrance oils from Nurture Soap or Nature's Garden or Wholesale Supplies Plus. Sometimes I get colorants from Brambleberry. Not colorants, fragrance oils from Brambleberry. It just depends on what I'm in the mood for that month, what I've got planned for that month. But I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. I've got my oils and my lye sitting right at the same temperature. I'm soaping at about 120 degrees today. So I'm going to pour this down the neck of the stick blender and get it to a thin trace, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've gotten this to a thin trace. This will probably move pretty slowly since there are no fragrance oils or colorants in it. There's nothing to speed it up, so it moves at its normal pace. It also is going to be yellow because I didn't put any titanium dioxide in this to pull any of the yellow out, and my soap batter is naturally pretty yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this into the mold. I got 2 molds to fill. Just like that. Tamp it down, set it aside, grab the other one, and fill her up. Just like that. And then I'm going to scrape out the bowl, and I'll be back when that's done. Okay, and that's about it. That is my Just the Bubbles soap. To show you what goes into just the bare process of soap making. For those of you who don't like scents or don't like scents or colorants, there are no added scents or colorants in this. It does have a little bit of a scent. It smells like naked soap, bare soap, unscented soap. Some people can smell that, some people can't. I can. So to me it smells a little bit like olive oil. Because there's a decent amount of olive oil in it, but that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you want notifications when I post a video, please go ahead and click that bell icon down below. This has been Trevor with the Bubble Daddy Soap channel, and I will see you soon.